sold out. The plan for today is get insurance first and then go to the Honda motorbike dealer and collect my new motorbike. And after that, I will wrap up the whole process of buying this motorbike and give you all the information you need to buy a motorbike in Thailand. A wonderful good morning and Sawadee Krap here from Hua Hin, Thailand. Today I will pick up my new motorbike. It's a Honda Click 160 Loy Hoxip, which I just bought last Friday. And there is only one more thing to do, get the insurance. So I hope I have everything. I have my passport. I have a new Thai number, which I need to confirm the insurance. And I have the bill for my new motorbike. The insurance needs that as well. I looked already for the offer from the insurance. And now I go to the insurance agency. And let's get insurance for the bike and then collect the bike. Hopefully everything all right. Still on my nice yellow rental bike. Let's go, 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 go! Go to insurance! Right, here behind me is AA Insurance Brokers Hua Hin. AA Insurance Brokers. Insurance for motorbike. Sawadee krap.
May I follow you?
Okay, yeah, you follow me. Okay, Khopuma krap. I give you my channel.
Okay.
I'm happy. I need a very small channel, you know. I need follower more.
Okay.
Oh, this one is videos, right? Then you see the latest ones, you know, like from.
Interesting.
Yeah, Songkran. I make Hua Hin Songkran.
That's great.
Very nice, yeah.
Yeah.
I love Hua Hin. So now I need insurance for my motorbike, and we look already like from the Ru Jai, right?
Yes,
you
and
remember?
you get the telephone number.
I have Thai telephone number. Chai krap.
Okay, can I have your receipt from dealer and your passport?
Yes.
Okay.
Receipt and passport. Chai krap. Right, already done here in AA Insurance Brokers, and Mile did a very good job in helping and insuring me and my new bike. Now let's go to the Honda motorbike dealer and collect my new motorbike. I'm so excited. Ooh, I see already inside there. I see already. Go, go, go. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this. Sold out. Also my name here. Motorcycle sold. Don't touch. I love it. You like it? Try my? Is it beautiful?
You like
Right inside. Okay. 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 ไม่เป็นไร Okay. ครับผม Finally outside in the sunlight. The red color looks lovely in the sunlight. What do you think? And very important, have my rack installed so I can put my luggage, my big bag, and travel through all of Thailand, which we will do with this little red Honda Click 160 Loy Hoxip. I love it. I'm so excited. And now let's bring my new baby home to the hotel. Right, let's get gasoline first for the new bike. Pick up. เต็มถังครับ Okay. I actually wanted to make the first fuel tank full of 95 octane, but there is only 91, and the bike is fine with 91 as well, and that's how I will go in the future probably, as the gasoline prices rose a lot through the tensions in the Strait of Hormuz. This was exactly 4 liters for 170 Thai baht with a price of 42 baht for 1 liter. And now let's bring baby Red home safely for the first time and be very smooth on the throttle, as the engine needs to be run in first. Also take care of the new tires. Slippery when new. Right, brought her back safely to the hotel, and now let me wrap it up and talk you through the whole process of buying this beautiful motorbike. Right, I made some notes in my phone so I don't forget to tell you anything. These are 5 main steps. So let's start with point 1. Decide which bike, and especially a new bike or a second-hand or used one. You need to know new or second-hand when you apply for your certificate of residence at the immigration office. So to be honest, I cannot help you a lot with that, because actually that's pretty much up to you. You have to decide, to think about it. I did that as well. I came for now to the conclusion I was buying the bike new, because in this case for the Click 160, new is not that much more than slightly used. The prices don't drop that much unless you go for a really old model or really hard used model. And the new one, you know, normally you should have no problems at all for the first time, and maybe for the first couple of years. You have also warranty. You have 3 years warranty on the engine, and they told me you have even 5 years warranty on electrics and injection. So I went with a new one. Number 2, get your certificate of residence. First, important to know, you will not need any kind of special or long-term visa. You can get it only with the stamp in your passport you get on arrival. In my case, from Germany, you get a stamp in your passport which is valid for 60 days, and I didn't have more than that, and that was totally fine. You need a copy of your TM30. You will get that from your landlord. Can be hotel, guest house, whatever. You need this as proof of address. You need your passport, the original and a copy as well. And you need 2 photos. And then you can get your certificate of residence at the immigration office. This costs 500 Thai baht, is valid for 30 days, and you get it right away from the immigration office. So you don't have to come back a second time, you just wait for it and you get it. Number 3, buy the bike. Tell the dealer which bike you want, and also tell him if you want any extra options. In my case, I went for a second key and for a rack on the back for my luggage when I'm traveling. Ask for discount. My sales lady first told me, no, discount cannot. This is cheap price already, not possible. I said, my D, okay. But in the end, I got a jacket from Honda, a helmet, and after I had paid the money in cash, she took the cash, brought it in the back office, and when she came back, she gave me 400 baht in cash with a little smile and said, discount for you. That's a very nice gesture. So pay and get your receipt. And then of course make an appointment for when you can finally collect your bike from the dealer. Number 4, get first class insurance. Check your options. I asked the dealer first, but they were not very helpful for the first class insurance. So then I checked in the internet. I found a good offer from Resale Insurance. And I tried to book it online first, but then I came to the point until they need a Thai telephone number, which I didn't have. And then I checked for the local insurance company. It's AA Insurance Brokers in Hua Hin. Went there, and they are very nice. Great office, very nice people, speaking perfect English and German as well. I told them about the offer from Resale I found in the internet, and the lady said right away, oh yes, we have that. We can give you Resale. And she showed me like exactly the same offer and same price. And then I said, oh, that's great. And if I book it with you here, will I need a Thai number as well? And she said, oh yes, you will need a Thai number as well. So I had to go and get a Thai number first, which I did at the local AIS store, which is a very easy process, took not more than 20 minutes. And yeah, I got my Thai number. And then just choose the insurance package that fits your needs and buy it. Number 5, maybe the most exciting point. Finally collecting your new bike from the dealer. Check if the bike and accessories are exactly as you ordered, and then check your bike for any damage or scratches. Once you're on the road for the first time with your new bike, I'd suggest your first destination is the gas station. That's where I went right away and got a full tank of gasoline. There is 1 liter of gasoline from the factory, which would get you home normally and to the gas station later. But I just decided it feels good like having the new bike and having a full tank of gas right away. And after that, there's only 2 more things to do. Number 1, drive safe. And number 2, be happy! And finally, I want to give you a quick preview of what's to expect next on my channel. I will stay in Hua Hin for a bit longer because my plan is, the bike needs the first service at 1,000 kilometers. You can do it at any dealer of Honda in whole of Thailand, of course. But I want to do it here at the dealer in Hua Hin where I bought the bike. So just in case something is, and so you are always in a better position to negotiate if you put your money down at their table. And also I'm waiting for the green book and black number because you start always in Thailand with a red number plate. And then later, this should take 3 to 6 weeks. Let's see. You will get the green book, which is the official document for your motorbike, and you get a black license plate. And then we're good to go, and the plan is to travel through all of Thailand and see everything, and I'm so excited about that. My plan is to take at least 1 year time for that, maybe even more, and I hope you follow me along the way. Thailand is such an amazing country and there's so much more to discover. It's gonna be amazing. Okay guys, that was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and you learned something. And if you enjoyed and maybe learned a thing or two, please give me a thumbs up for the video, and as always down there, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot. Have a good one, see you in the next one, and goodbye.